What is up, guys? It's Bucky and welcome to your 13th JavaScript tutorial, and this tutorial is probably going to be a real quick one because I'm only going to be talking about one thing, and that is called assignment operators. So I already taught you guys what the assignment operator is. So say we had a variable equal to Bucky, and let's go ahead and set it equal to 24 because that's my age. And if we go ahead and just document write out Bucky, it's going to go ahead and print 24 on the screen. No need to show you guys that, but hey, I will anyways right there. So that is the assignment operator, basically an equal sign. But there are different types of operators too, and they're pretty much like little shortcuts. And there's an add and assign operator, which pretty much takes a variable, and in order to use the add and assign operator, you put plus equal sign, and then to the right of it you put a number like 54. Now what this is going to do is it's going to say, alright, the value of Bucky is 24, so if I add 54 to it, I get the new value of 78. So now Bucky equals 78. So let's go ahead and refresh this, and when it prints out Bucky, it says 78. So it doesn't change Bucky to 54. What it does is it takes Bucky, adds 54 to it, and assigns it the new value. So aside from what's this called, the add and assign operator, you have the subtract and assign operator right there. Let's use 54, why not, which gives you negative 30. The multiply and assign, and the divide and assign, which is, I have no idea what this value is. Whoa, nice. So aside from the add and assign, subtract and assign, multiply, divide and assign, there's one other one, and that's called the modulus and assign. Modulus and assign. And to tell you the truth, what this does is it takes an integer remainder, or basically the remainder, and it, you know what? Remember this. Don't ever use the modulus and assign. I've been programming for I don't even know how many years, and I never used the modulus and assign other than just teaching people what the modulus and assign operator does. So basically you're never going to use the modulus and assign. So wipe that out of your memory, and yeah, I probably should edit that out of the tutorial, but anyways, I won't. So aside from that, the other thing I want to teach you guys before I let you guys go is that you don't have to only use one of these. You can go ahead and assign 67 to that, and let me see if you guys can figure this out. And go ahead and 32, and then Bucky times equals 4, and then Bucky divide equals 5 or something like that. So go ahead, the original value of Bucky is 24 plus 67 minus 32 times 4 divided by 5, and I messed that up right there. But I'm going to wait 10 seconds, and I want you to leave a comment below of what you think this equals. And let me see if anyone can figure this out in 10 seconds. 9, 8, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's see what it was. 47.2. So how close were you to that? Let me know in the comment section below, because I bet you were way off because I was. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. That's all I have for you guys for this tutorial. Just wanted to talk to you quick about assignment operators. And don't forget, don't ever use the modulus and assign operator. I'll see you next time.